Hi, this is Grayson, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make pie. So first, you're going to want to get your pie container. You want to open it up, throw that away. You're going to want to open this up, pour it in the bowl. Make sure it gets all in there. Then, when you got all your powder in there, on the box it says to put 2 cups of milk in. I already know that. So, take your 1 cup and your milk, pour 1 cup of milk in, and pour another cup of milk in. I'm out of milk. And then, you take your whisk here, and you whisk this until it becomes a little thick. Alrighty, then you can let that sit for a little bit. While you're waiting for that, you can go ahead and open up your pie crust. You can grab a knife. You can get your banana. You can go ahead and peel your banana and just give it a little slice. Get some bananas in there. You want to get the bananas all around. Spread them out a little bit, you know. Grab another banana, or I mean the other half of your banana. Cut it. Then grab yourself another banana. Open it up. You're going to want to slice it up. Then you're going to throw everything away. Then you're going to take your kind of nicely thickened pudding, and you're just going to want to dump that in your pie crust. Make sure you get it all around. Dump it all in there. You can even grab yourself a spoon, and you can scrape it out. Get all the pudding out. Then, when you're done doing that, take it, wiggle it a little bit, make sure it gets all around. Then, you're going to want to take the pudding, and you're going to want to go put it in the fridge here. Then, you're going to want to let the pudding sit in the fridge for about 10-15 minutes. And then, we'll be back to look at it.